G'day, what I want to talk about in this video is a book that we recently wrote called Adaptive by Design. The book that you see here is the product of 52 years of working, and the majority of those years I was in some sort of leadership role, whether it be small teams or getting right up to chunks of an organization. And what I found over that time is I was exposed to many scenarios, and I wasn't always armed to be able to deal with those scenarios. So it was a combination of trial and error, getting advice from other people, and working out what actually works to get the result you want in those scenarios. So what I did is I put them together in a book, and the general theme that runs through this book is what's referred to as adaptive leadership, hence the name Adaptive by Design. The difference between this and a lot of the textbooks that I read over the years is that they talk about leadership styles. So there might be some sort of model. It might be a quadrant model, or it might be a wheel with 6 points, like a compass. And in it, they talk about different leadership styles that you would apply in various circumstances. And whilst that's useful, it didn't give us specific tools. So what we've got in here now is a range of tools. In fact, there's 41 tools in there. Now, the structure of the book itself, it's broken into 4 contexts. The contexts are leading other people, organizational change, optimizing productivity, and self-leadership or self-improvement. And in each of those contexts, we've broken it into a series of tools. Now, the way that I've actually written about these, in every one of those tools, it's got 3 parts. It's got a description of the scenario that we're exposed to. Now, if you haven't been exposed to that scenario yet, many of these you will be exposed to in the future for sure if you're in a leadership role. The second part of each of those is where we talk about the traditional mistakes that people make in trying to address those scenarios. They might be misguided or misinformed, or they don't have the experience to be able to deal with it, or the toolkit to be able to approach that in a way they want to get a result. So over the years, we've learned different ways, and that's where the third part comes into play. That is a suggested approach, which is adapted to that particular scenario. And every single one of these approaches I've used in my 52 years of working career and found them to be extremely useful. Now, this particular book, as I said, has 41 tools in it. You can get it from Amazon, and I believe it's going to cost you less than $1 a tool. So, definitely going to be worthwhile value. There's a reason why it's actually purple, which we talk about in the front of the book, but I'll leave that for you to read. So go on to Amazon, have a look for Adaptive by Design, and I'm sure you're going to get some value out of this.